Dealing with constant Excel crashes and frustrating error messages can be a huge drain on your time and work. I personally face these exact issues, spending countless hours trying different approaches. Eventually, I discovered several effective strategies that genuinely resolve these problems, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. This video will show you exactly how to fix Excel has stopped working crash loops on PC and get your spreadsheets running smoothly again. First, Excel might stop working because its own program files are damaged or missing. Think of it like a puzzle with missing pieces. The repair process simply checks and replaces any broken parts, making Excel whole and stable. It's like giving the program a fresh internal checkup. Next, small extra programs called add-ins often cause problems. If these add-ins are old or poorly made, they can clash with Excel's main operations, leading to shutdowns or freezing. By turning add-ins off, you remove conflicts, allowing Excel to run without interference, which often stops crashing. It's like clearing the road for Excel. Third, your computer's other important software, like Windows and graphics drivers, needs to be current to work well with Excel. If these parts are old, they might not communicate with Excel correctly. Updating them ensures all your computer's parts speak the same language, preventing Excel from getting confused and crashing. This provides a stable environment. Finally, Excel creates many temporary files and stores information in a cache. Over time, these can become corrupted or pile up, interfering with Excel's operations and causing freezes. Clearing out this old, unnecessary data gives Excel a clean slate, allowing it to start fresh and operate efficiently without old data getting in the way. It's like tidying your workspace for better focus.